Hello friend, welcome. So in the previous few videos, we worked on Chess Swift UI for Mac OS. Now let's switch back to Chess Swift UI for iOS to see what we can do on that side. Okay, so pwd here, we are inside this one. So cd dot. Let's go to Chess Swift UI iOS. Okay, so we are here and ls. Okay, so we can open chess dot like that. Yeah, Xcode project, run that. Okay, let's see what's the git status, right? Very important. Clean. Yeah, cool. So it means we can start working on a clean state, right? And what do we oh, okay, let's run it. Command R. iPhone 12 mini. Haha, there's no game board here, just okay. So let's see. So we have oh, this is our model, right? This is our model piece content. This is the generic type. This is the type parameter. So this is like a dynamic thing. It can be a string or it can be image. So this is our view. Oh, and okay, so that's rename, right? This view is for our game. So let's rename this one to wait a minute. So yeah, let's create an emoji based chess game. Okay, so this one we can rename it to, yeah, hold on, command key and click, then rename. We'll rename to emoji chess game view, like that. Enter. Okay, so this is our view emoji. So let's put an emoji here. Instead of image, we can, yeah, for now we can use text and emoji. Let's put a queen here. Okay, so a queen, and let's make it bigger. So font dot large title, something like that. Run it. Okay, not very big. I think we can create a font dot system style. Is there like size thing? Oh, size. Okay, CG float. Let's put it, make it much bigger. 64. Let's see. Haha, not yet. Double it. 128. Okay, cool. So let's make a commit for this change. Wow, we rename, right? So let's make okay, content view to that. Let's copy this guy and commit -a and yeah, let's talk about a little bit about the command mode of vim. Okay, so escape. Now 0 will go to the beginning, right? And the $sign will go to the end. Okay, so let's go to the press 0 to jump to there, then type I to enter the insert mode. So we'll input renamed. Let's use the arrow key, rename this view to this view. Okay, oh, okay, so control, no, it doesn't work. Okay, never mind. But if we use escape key, right, to enter the vim command mode, now we can use this, right? And still inside the command, not, this is not insert mode. You see, there's no insert here, so it's in the command mode. Okay, so the command to delete a single letter is x. Oh, rename that. Okay, now, oh, the navigation key is like H to the left and L to the right, and J going down, K going up. Okay, so we want to go here and insert I2, right, and escape. Rename the content view to emoji chess game view. Okay, that's it. Clean and push. Okay, so now what do we have here? Oh, we have all the pieces here, and that's cool. Is there anything we can improve? Do we have a test the chessboard? Okay, and emoji chess game. Let's see. Print. Oh, okay, nice. And yeah, so this one we already, right, improved this one by adding our computed property inside of enum. Okay, so let's do that. It's inside our this guy. Okay, so let's show both the test here and the target file here. Test. So chess game test. Yeah, chess game test. So command shift Y. Okay, toggle command shift Y. We are talking about this enum, right? It is enum. We can add a var is white, right? Return boolean, and we can return is must be consecutive. What's that? oh, the data type is, oh sorry, this is not a function, it's data. Okay, now we can, because we only have a single line of code, so we don't need to return, right? So we just put self, right, is same as what? Command B to compile. Yes, it compiles. So we can replace this one, right? So highlight, copy, and Command Option F. So we put it here, and now we can replace that with player dot is white, right? Let's try it. Replace, 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 replace. Now let's see, is yeah, it's good, right? Nothing is broken. And here we have the duplication of those spaces, and let's try to remove those spaces. Okay, this way. So I'll replace that, copy, and the Command Option F, paste there, replace that with just a single double quote. Is that okay? Oh no, because then it will, yeah, this part we don't want to, we only want to change, yeah, okay, so maybe this guy is what we need. Okay, copy and paste again. Okay, very good. So now this one we can replace with space and a single space and a double quote, right? Double quote. Now replace, right? Replace. That's, we remove the duplicate thing. Now we can add it here, right? Because everyone share the space, so we can put it here. DESC plus equal a space. Now, oh, let's comment out this one to check. Right, here is the problem, we don't have the space. Now let's put it back, and wait a minute. Okay, so let's try it again. Nice, it's back, right? So let's make a test for that. Test the chessboard. Okay, so let's create a test description. Okay, the description of our chess game description. Okay, so we'll create, wow, that's the emoji. Okay, so this one I think we can create a function for that, because this will be shared inside this test file. Okay, so can we like create a function, private static func create emoji chess game. Yeah, it's a string based chess game. Okay, return a chess game string, something like that, then put it here. We can return that, right? Yeah, so now we can replace this one with create this guy dot create emoji game. Let's try this again. Yeah, still works. Cool. So now we can, right, so we don't need to duplicate this. We can just reuse that, this line. Let's create one and print out, print emoji cascade. Let's see. Yeah, it's here, but we don't want to use a print, right, to make sure it works. We want to use xct assert like true, so we can say this guy dot description dot contains, right, contains, for example, all the pounds, okay, like that. Let's make sure it passed, right? So now if we remove this one, try to break it. Yeah, it failed, right? Because this is the the thing, this is the line we are asserting, right? Asserting. Okay, now put it back, undo, and run it again. Yeah, it's back. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time.